Shannon Burns. I go to Springfield High School. I play lacrosse, and the highlight of my season was being the Central League champs with 2 other teams and just having a great season overall and making it to the States.
My name is Alyssa DeBona, and I go to Archbishop Carroll High School. I play lacrosse, and the highlight of my season was going to Florida and winning the 10th straight Catholic League championship for Carroll.
Hi, my name's Alex Steckenfield. I play girls lacrosse at Strathaven High School, and the best part of our season was beating Radnor, who was undefeated in the Central League, and we lost to them in the state championship game last year, and we beat them in overtime.
Hi, my name is Alyssa Dunlap. I go to Radnor High School. I play lacrosse and I play defense. My favorite memory would be winning districts and beating Springfield.
Okay, I'm Kellen Friedman. I play lacrosse at Radnor High School, and my favorite part of the season was when we came back from 6-0 on senior day to beat Springfield 7-6.
Hi, my name is Amy Gennaro. I'm a senior at Archbishop Carroll High School and I play lacrosse. And next year I'm going to the United States Naval Academy. And the highlight of my season was winning Carroll's 10th Catholic League championship in a row for lacrosse.
Hi, my name's Allie Martin. I play lacrosse at Radnor High School, and my favorite memory from the season was when we went to Disney World as a team and we beat St. Stephen St. Agnes.
Hi, my name's Val Paolucci. I go to Springfield High School and play girls lacrosse, and my favorite part of my season was being Central League champs.
Hi, my name is Hannah Schmidt. I'm a junior at Archbishop John Carroll and I play lacrosse. The highlight of my season was winning the Catholic League championship for the 10th year in a row.
Hi, my name is Taylor Trimble. I go to Episcopal Academy and I play lacrosse. And the best part of our season was beating Notre Dame to win the Interac.
Hey, I'm Anna White. I play lacrosse at Strathaven High School, and the highlight of my season was definitely beating Radnor and becoming Central League champs.
I'm Annie Walling, and I play lacrosse at Radnor High School, and the highlight of the season for me was coming back from a 6-goal deficit and beating Springfield the first time in regular season play.